to charity. And again, if you love that stock so much, buy it again. But now the cost base is up. Or if you made such a large donation, why not use life insurance to replace the donation? Now your family gets fully whole. It's just a timing issue, and you can actually do that for pennies on the dollar or even on a cash flow neutral basis to make the family whole. So it's kind of like moving the shells around. But I know, Tyson, you deal with a lot of medical professionals,
Yes.
and I want to this you ask, what do people think when we tell them this? The corporate donations is where the real magic happens.
Okay.
So if you have any of your listeners, they have a holding company, an investment company, and they've got appreciated securities in it, as we said, stock, mutual funds, ETF, segregated funds. So when they donate in kind those securities to charity, first of all, it's a deduction for that company against active income. So now they've got a deduction, fully deductible, okay, 100%. But then they don't pay any capital gains taxes. And now with the inclusion rate going up, that means the 36% of the gain, which would go
Yep.
to tax, now there's no tax on that. Okay. Then what happens though, and this is where the cherry on the cake, the gain of that portfolio gets credited to the CDA, the capital dividend account,
Yes.
and that can now all flow out tax free to the shareholder. So let's just use an example. You bought a stock for 100,000, it's now worth 200,000. If you would have sold that, you would have paid $36,000 tax. But now you're donating the whole 200,000, so you're not paying the $36,000 tax. You're getting a deduction of 200,000 against active income, but the $100,000 gain now can come out of your company tax free, which means if you would have taken out $100,000 at any other time, half of it would go to tax. So now it's a beautiful thing. You can use that to be able to get money out of your company tax free. And again, if you so desire to replace that gift, then you can go ahead and buy some corporate owned life insurance
That's right.
in a cost efficient way to replace that gift. But anyone who's sitting with corporate shares, it's to me, this is where people go, I had no idea like that. And professional advisors have even said, I did not know that.
Right.
Tyson, I know you know that, but it's something that we really need to get out much louder and wider to the audience.